ones are tertiary to Akori. Now by mid-January towards end January, secondary schools have to the bursary. We hope our treasury never release questions by Tarikeju. But this time I'm confident at least batch 1, either the tertiary or secondary, batch 1 I was trying to Akori by 15th January.
15th January.
Yeah.
So that you're going to work on the school. And you said you have spoken each school so that you send checks directly to schools instead of want to go. In
Chekorumo chakana na bongo koreko. Check going straight to the school. Alafu abaiboli banyara university. Yes.
And among an para issues chabe raised, chabe fixed.
Chipara chane chamara ming chirocho. Most are fixed. Nechinde chabe get to this financial year. Actually tendering, I think I can do the process. So to expect by late this month of January, again chitara kono contractors will be on the road.
Yeah, because I'm being asked some specific roads. I don't know how many is. There's a Parvata thing, a Kianungu, somewhere passing through there.
I think now I will check on the site. Parden area but advertised. Care to operate with a limited resources stock.
So they are saying so.
To Chaka go discuss one by one. Yeah. So the issue is the money there? And we are going to fix it. And it's in the matter sometimes we'll go catch Kitchen County. It's county, Yarbonera, and take a cig and a more.
Now they ask, I reckon I'll send it now and give them.
Yes.
And then generally the constituency in the next financial year.